Oh, this is the Besakih Temple, the biggest temple in Bali, also called the Arya Temple in Bali. Welcome to have a look and see our videos regarding the Besakih Temple. Well, the pathway to the main temple in Besakih is also ornamented by the beautiful statues located to the right side and the left side. Well, this is the main temple entrance gate. You can see this temple is very active with the spiritual destinations. You can see the Balinese Hindu bring the offerings goats coming up down from the main temple to step down, and this is the daily view you can see when you're visiting this temple. Then, and because this is the biggest Hindu temple complex, there's plenty of the temple also available here, including the clan temples. And now we are also going to visit one of the clan temple in Bali we called Panoramic. We pass through the right side of the main temple, goes to the Panoramic temple. We will see there's plenty of the other small temple beside of main temple in Besakih Temple. This temple area is located in around 800 or 900 meters above sea level. See, you can see the main clan temple right side of the main temple here. I don't know. This is we short from the almost on the top of the temple area. We can see down there's also the beautiful Hindu temple with the very unique story building, and the temperature also is very cold because located in the mountain area. This is very beautiful place for meditation. So it's very immersing. We look down here, see a lot of the Balinese Hindu temple with the story building out there, and that is the part of the clan temple. Now we go to one of the clan temple what I have to join with. So this is the one is the clan temple in Bali we call the Panoramic or Panoramic temple. Now we go into the Arya Kanuruhan clan temple. This all of the people under the clans Arya Kanuruhan will go to here for to worship to the ancestors here. The temple actually has conducted the temple ceremony 3 days ago, but today we just have the time to go in and worship to the god here. We can still, the rest of the people want to pray also. This is the clans of the Arya Kanuruhan today together with us, which join with the temple ceremony, and they also do the pray. The whole temple is made from the volcano stone, black volcano stone. It's very strong. It's good enough, and also the temple building is a beautiful ornamented by the Balinese architectures with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 story building. Well, this is the short story from the Arya Kanuruhan Besakih Temple, and we'll back to you with another temple in Besakih Temple as well. And hope you enjoy with our video. Then, if you like to do our video, you can subscribe to us.